Yes, I have followed your question, but remember one thing in principle, that Islam does not penalize any person who has not committed a crime himself. So because the child is no partner in crime of his parents, so he will not be penalized in Islam in any form. That is enough. Under the light of this principle, everything else is simple to understand. No person, according to Allah, will be penalized for a crime he has not committed. So if the child was a partner in crime, which was committed by his parents, then he should be penalized in whatever form you please. But otherwise, no. So it's not an unjust God which is presented by the Holy Quran.